Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. All right, so in this video today, I'm going to be cleaning my coffee pot. So come on with me, guys. So we use the counter or the small appliances so often that sometimes we tend to overlook them, but I cannot take it anymore. This coffee pot just needs to be cleaned. So I am getting started here, just cleaning the coffee pot on its own, and then we'll move on over to the machine. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, let me tell you about this collaboration. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Home Cleaning Motivation, and it really doesn't matter what it is that you decide to clean in your home, be it big or small, it needs to be done anyway. So that's what this collaboration is about. Now, let me tell you who's hosting. So I am your main host, the Simply Grace Lifestyle, but we also have hosting with me is Sonia down south. And today we have Jean Home Decor and more, and I'm so excited. Now, don't forget, if you ever want to join us, no matter what it is you're cleaning, as I said before, it really doesn't matter small or big. I'll record your video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. So once I get this coffee pot clean, then we'll head on over to the reveal and to some photos. So I'm going to see you toward the end of the video, guys. Enjoy it. So it's nice and sparkly. I went ahead and put it back where I had it before, and now I feel better about making my coffee. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.